Hey there, so I am going to use one of these templates to create a video page, a video lecture. I'm going to select the video lecture template, and if I take a look, I can see it's got a header, it's got header style text, it's got paragraph text, so I can give some instructions here, and it's got a video placeholder that I can use. I'm not going to use anything below the video, so let me just, highlight that and delete and get rid of this little logo. All right, so I've got my video here. Let me give some basic instruction to my learners. Okay, that's more than enough, and this is the video that I'm going to replace. So let me go back to YouTube. I've found my video already here, and I'm going to share and grab the embed code. So I will copy the embed code here, go back to Brightspace, and now I've got this little video placeholder sitting in here. If I click my mouse just to the left of it, I can see my mouse, my cursor is sitting next to the video. So I want to highlight the video like I would highlight a sentence if I'm using Word. So if I hold down Shift and just hit the right arrow, my screen jumps a little bit, and that means that this image is, this video placeholder is highlighted. So when I go to Insert Stuff, scroll down to enter embed code, and I am going to paste. Hit next, and here's the preview of my video. When I hit insert, my page is going to refresh and my video has been replaced in here. So when I save and close, I'll see what my students see. And now I have this page with a little header, video lecture, some instructions for them, and then they can watch the video right here. Before I make this completely done, I want to get rid of this link that they sent me, and I'm going to get rid of this header image as well. So if I go back to Edit HTML, just click on the image, hit delete, that's gone. W-A-T-C-H. Okay, and if I scroll down, I can get rid of that link there. And I'll grab the actual video link from YouTube, which is here, and paste that. So if my students don't see the video playing, then they can click on that link and follow it. So that is exactly what I need, and I think I'm done. Let's see.